it's not too hard to find somebody that wants to talk about football, right? But it's a lot of fun to be able to sit down and talk to somebody that's excited about lunar dust problems, that is excited about the optics of how to concentrate light and be able to melt plastic, right? These are the kind of things that kids get excited about, and so this kind of a program helps bring them together.
NASA actually called us up and said, would you be interested, because our industry partners, one of our industry partners, Stratasys, had recommended them and said, you got to check out this program, you got to see what they've got going on. And
we're looking for the best ideas for each of the projects, and we're in 40 states, so we're choosing from the best ideas, and we invite them down to Johnson Space Center.
The trifold too, right?
Yeah.
What we're working on is a simple prototype like this for a scooter on the moon.
We had certain constraints and like other things to think about, like weight and how much it's gonna cost.
So we started to kind of mock up and draw it in a CAD software called Inventor. From there, we were able to take that and put it into a sheet and dimension it. We were able to transfer it to our flash drive and be able to 3D print it.
It's very compactable. We made all the angles so they could fit the wide specs of astronauts.
There's a pin in there to keep it locked for when it's like this. We put the two lockable hinges right here, and then you pull the pin, shut it down.
We want to build a structure that will make these bugs self-sufficient for 30 days. So the bug we chose was mealworms.
They are going to be turned into a food source for astronauts so they can survive off of them.
Put that on your resume that you worked with NASA.
Yeah, it's cool that we got the opportunity to work with them.
Really a different change of pace.
I tell people oh, what are you working on? I'm making a wheel for NASA. So
Not a lot of people can say that.
So it's just cool to see when you give students opportunities like this, how far they can go with these types of open-ended projects.
It gives you confidence that we're going to have this aptitude for a long time.
Bringing kids from different academic levels and different comfort levels into one group that they can work together, and because I think it's so emblematic of what you find out in the working world. And it's been a real wonderful thing. I've had a blast doing it, and I'm a space geek too.